Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I want to show you how to find your passwords page on our Seesaw page. So this is the Seesaw page that I see as the teacher, and I'm just going to use Annika as an example. So if I click on Annika's name right here, do you see how this file folder has now appeared next to her name? Okay, and this is just like any other kind of folder. It has lots of papers in it, except for they're not real papers, they're digital papers. So if I click on the file folder, these are all the things that she's done or that have been assigned to her. So if I want to find Annika's password page, I go down. This one says teaching and learning. This one says Zoom links. This one says 2A password pages. And it has one item inside, which is her password page. And so this is her password page. It has all of this important information on it. And I can make it a little bit bigger so I can see everything. So here is the Raz Kids information. Here's IXL, here's coding, which we'll get to in January. And then here are all the passwords for all the different things that we use in second grade. Okay, so I'm going to go out here and show you one more time how we find that. So when you sign in to your Seesaw account, find your name, or it will be pulled up probably to your page, and click here, and you will have a file folder that appears. And again, if you click that file folder, it takes you to all the things that you've done or you've turned in. This is like your private file folder. So we are in Ben's file folder right now as an example. And if I click here, I will find Ben's passwords page. Okay, second graders. And if you want to make it bigger, remember you click on it and then you can make it bigger or make it smaller, whatever you need. Okay, so second graders, when we are using Raz Kids or IXL, please be sure that you watch this video if you're not sure how to find your passwords page or any other piece of work that you've turned in. All right, thanks second graders, you are amazing.